I've got a green light on the field. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, dive.
All right, here we go, match number 2. Looks like Red Alliance, both robots have left the starting line and attempted to score Coral on the L4. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, we have no motion. 3-6-4, Team Fusion. Looks like they have an auto going, but they forgot to pick up their Coral. All right, that bell signifies the beginning of our teleoperated period. We got all 3 robots on the blue side frantically scurrying around the field looking to pick up some coral. Circuitron grabs the coral from the player station and is going to go for that L1 on the reef. Meanwhile, looks like Hypercube is going to try to grab a coral got a coral from their player station, is going to go try to core that on the reef. Over on the Red Alliance, we have 8808 Southwest Louisiana Tech Prides scoring L3 on the coral reef, and their partner, Team Fusion, is going to go for an L4 score, and they have nailed it. Here goes Southwest Tech Pirates, 8808, got another L3 coral. That'll be 3 on L3 right now. Remember, 5 coral scored on 4 levels will get you a ranking point. So that's what they're going to try to do, fill up those coral levels to get that extra ranking point. That's another score on the L3 by the Tech Pirates. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, Circuitron coming to score on that bottom level, that level 1 on their coral, and they bank it. Hypercube getting another coral from that player station, and they're going to go try to score it on their reef as well. All right, back on the Red Alliance, looks like we're going for another score on the level 4 by the Fusion. Ooh, and it gets stuck inside the robot. Let's hope they can get that out. Meanwhile, Tech Pirates, their partner, is going for L2 now. Looks like they have secured L5 coral on L3. Now they're going to try to fill up L2 to go for that ranking point. Looks like Hypercube has scored a coral. They're going for an L2, and it just barely falls on. Here we go, signifying our end game. Teams are going to head over for the park and climb. Looks like Fusion's lining up for a climb. Looks like the 8808 Tech Pirates is lining up to climb. Clockwork Mania is lining up. Let's see who's going to get it. And I'm going to let the ref sort that one out.
We got a score coming in, and it's the Red Alliance with a score of 68-19, and that's a high score for the day. They got 4 ranking points, 1 for auto, 3 for the win.